Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch7, as well as this little Athleisure band that was given for free with pre-order, or order, I guess, I don't know. But either way, let's check out the Athleisure band first. On the front, it has a picture of it, obviously. There's nothing on the right side. On the left side, it says Athleisure band, and on the back, it tells you information about it. It's 20 millimeters, medium, large, then some serial number information on the bottom. Then on the very bottom of this, it tells you designed by Samsung, made in China, and has different languages. So the top and the bottom has these little stickers, which is really annoying. There's no like pull tab or anything, so we got to cut that open. And once we do, we can pull this out, and here's the band. So it actually has these little magnets, or at least that's what I think they were. But what they actually are is they're a little one-click thing. That's why it says it on the front. So you can actually just attach this on here without trying to slide it over, like this little band right here, which is really nice that they do that. Then in the box, obviously, there's paperwork to tell you how to install it and some other information that probably no one's going to look at. But I do like the design. It does feel strange, though. So I'm not sure if I'm actually going to ever use this one. But let's put that back in the box and let's check out the watch. So on the front, obviously, it has a watch. It tells you what watch it is. On the right side, it tells you the millimeter. And on the left side, it says Samsung Galaxy Watch7. Then on the back, we have pretty much the same information as that other one. Model number, all that good stuff. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. And then there's this little thing that, like a measuring thing. I'm not entirely sure what that means. I kind of understand, 45 millimeter case. I get that, but I'm not really sure what the minimum 50 millimeter and max 70 millimeter is. Maybe how wide your wrist is how long the bands will fit. I'm not really sure. But either way, let's get this open. Let's grab this little pull tab right here, and this other pull tab right here. Then we can lift it up like this. I don't know why it's stuck on the top. And right here is like a blank box, but that's where the charger is and little paperwork as well. So here's some quick start guide, paperwork information, which gives a decent explanation for what you need, like how to put the bands on, how to install it onto your phone, stuff like that. And of course on the bottom we get the USB-C to wireless charging puck, because you can't do it on your phone now. Yeah, on the Watch 7 they got rid of that for some reason because they moved the magnets, blah blah blah. I'll show you in a little bit what I'm talking about, but yeah, it's kind of frustrating that they do that. So let me put this back in the box. And here's the watch. Yes, I did order the green one, not the silver one, which is dumb that they only come in two colors, but the band is green as well. And you may notice that the band and the watch are not the same type of green. This is pretty common on Samsung phones where the back is one color and then the side is like barely that color. I don't know why they do that, but it would have been cool if it was the same color, or at least look like how they advertise it. And like I said, there's the little detachable thing right here. Trying to put it back on is kind of difficult. I guess they did that to make it easier, but I mean, maybe I don't know what I'm doing. And this band doesn't really feel that bad. It feels pretty good. I might actually keep that one. I have a Milanese band that I'm going to put on, but I might actually keep this one. So now that it's powered on, it says, connect it with the Samsung Wear app. And I have a Samsung phone. It should have just popped up, but I guess not. So let's go in here, let's pair it up. And we'll skip through this because this is boring pairing stuff. I'll put the box back together and get that out of the frame. But yeah, here's the watch. Looks pretty similar to what the Galaxy watches have looked like for a few years, I think since the Watch 4. One interesting thing though is this little orange and blue accent color, which seems to be following on the Samsung wearables that have come with this. But it's actually yarn. I thought it was like some hard plastic or silicone or something like that, but it's like a yarn. Pretty interesting. Either way, I'm going through the setup right here. Ask me, where I'm going to put my watch, custom workout routines, which I'm not going to do that right now, body level, for sleep, and blood oxygen, snore temperature, and skin temperature when sleeping, which is nice. There's also some gestures which are pretty interesting, and I immediately forgot how to use them once I started using the watch. Then on the watch, it'll go through like a little tour to explain how to use it. I already kind of know how to use it anyway, so I'm just going to skip over this. But yeah, here's the watch. What I did notice is there's like a little coating on the top, and that's because it is sapphire glass. I was kind of impressed by that because Apple doesn't do that. You have to buy the expensive ones to do this, and this is the not so expensive one. And that's pretty much the unboxing. One thing I do want to show you is a wireless power share, which it shows that it's charging when I put it on my phone, but then it says this charger is not compatible with this watch, meaning that it can allow for wireless charging. It just chooses not to. Yeah, so I'm curious to see moving forward if Galaxy gets rid of this, even though it should work still on the buds. But either way, that's my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll enjoy the review that I'm going to do for this. And as always, thanks for watching.